Hello friends. So in this question from JAM 2023, a box is given and this box is there and the box is of volume V, equilibrium temperature T and number of particles N. And they have asked about the pressure in increasing or decreasing form for boson and fermion and classical particle, that means Maxwell-Boltzmann. So when we derive equation of a state, for Fermi-Dirac distribution, we get an expression like this. For Bose-Einstein, we get it like this. PV is equal to N kBT, 1 minus pi to the power 3 by 2 by 2, rho h cut cube by M kBT to the power 3 by 2. And for classical gas, it is, we all know, MV is equal to N kBT. Okay. So if you see it simply, it is N kBT, it is N kBT plus something, it is N kBT minus something. So the greatest will be Fermi-Dirac, right? You can see it from here, it is 1 plus something, okay? And it will be the greatest. Then we have P Maxwell-Boltzmann, and then we have P Bose-Einstein. So this will be the sequence of the pressure. Okay, thank you.